Welcome guys to a new tutorial. Today we'll learn how to make $10,000 amount with n8n to automate Stripe payments to Gmail and database. So in this tutorial we'll learn how to automate Stripe payment using n8n. Every time a customer make a purchase, their payment details will be automatically stored in a database and an email confirmation will be sent through the Gmail. This workflow can easily save hours of manual work and has the potential to generate $10,000 amount if offered as a service to business or integrated into your own online store. So what you learn in this workflow: to capture new payment from Stripe, store payment detail in a database for reporting and analytics, send professional email confirmation through the Gmail, and automate your sales process for consistent income. Okay, let's start the workflow. So you have first the Stripe node, the Stripe trigger node. Let's open it. You need to get the credential. Okay. After that, on the Stripe node, the resource you will choose event. The operation will be payment completed, triggered whenever a payment is successfully processed. Provides customer email, amount, currency, and transaction ID. After that, we have a function, not function, that will give us the Stripe event data. So you see the transaction ID, the currency, the amount, and the email. After that, you need the database node. This will be the database node. With this database node, we'll store the payment details into your database for bookkeeping. So we'll have the column email, amount, currency, and the transaction ID. And after that, we will have the Gmail node to send a professional confirmation email to the customer. So you have the subject payment confirmation, thank you, and on the message you will write like this: payment confirmation, thank you, on the subject, and here we'll we'll choose this message to type: we receive your payment of amount and currency. You need currency dot and the transaction ID. Transaction ID. That is ID. Okay. Let's finish. Perfect. Now we have all, and I will write you on my comment from YouTube. I will put you all the JSON file to have the template also for yourself. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.